This is a new monitor. I wanted one exactly like my old one, clear, for artists making pictures and videos. At first I was afraid it wasn't going to work, but I found out you have to do your settings. So this Acer, am I saying it right? A-C-E-R. And down, go down here, and you have a bunch of buttons underneath here. There's your power, and the buttons you can change your brightness. I changed that in contrast, and the type of color. You have a lot of options in there to make them go up, down, in strength, amount, etc. So I recommend it. 5 stars. Very nice. And it's larger because this part here is a little smaller. My old one's here. So I have about an inch or so more on this one. Let's open a picture and see if it will do a... Let's see. This is one of the books. I like to preserve antiques. And let's check the clarity here. It's good clarity. So now, if my old monitor wears out, I can use this one. But for now, this is just for my employees, also for proofreading and things like that. Let's see what else we have. We'll look on the back. So that's clear, and here's your color. It's good color. I could bring the brightness down maybe a little. The bar, perfect color, perfect color. It's perfect. Back you have this. I'm using because I have an old computer I'm using. There's your name here. And you also have this other port for the newer type. This is for an old computer. It works well. What else? I get something bright to show you. I guess that's good enough. That's good enough. Nice and clear. We can go back to work.